In an emergency, every second counts, and experts say the same goes for mental health emergencies. But up until Saturday, the suicide hotline was a long 10-digit number, one that wasn't easy to remember. So the nation made a big change and created 988. It's the 911 for mental health, essentially, and it's already making a big difference in Kentucky. LEX 18's political reporter Carolina Buchek has the story.
There's a new number for help, specifically for help during mental health emergencies.
The Commonwealth is joining states across the nation in implementing the simple 3-digit suicide and mental health crisis lifeline. 988
replaces the previous 10-digit suicide hotline. The 3 digits are meant to be simple to remember because during an emergency, everyone knows what to do, right? You grab your phone and you dial 911. But if it's a mental health emergency, people are not going to remember a long 10-digit number. But now in Kentucky, they don't have to. They can just dial 988.
When we make it easy for people to get those services that they need, we save lives.
Kentucky mental health advocates like Geneva Robinson believe 988 is a critically important resource. From her own experience with suicide attempts, Robinson knows how important it is to get people help immediately.
I made my first suicide attempt when I was in elementary school, and I made my last suicide attempt when I was in college. The only thing that made the difference was in college, someone got me help at the time I needed it most.
And 988 can get people that help. It already has. Since the number went live this past Saturday, 220 calls have been made in Kentucky. The state says that's a 30% increase in people reaching out for help, and they expect that number to grow as more people learn about 988.
And think about it, I mean, this was, I don't want to call it a soft launch, but we were trying to make sure Saturday, Sunday, that everything was working. And today we're trying to build the awareness to make sure those calls only increase.
So just like 911, 988 is a number for everyone to know. In Frankfort, Carolina Buchek, Evening Edition.